Y'all know what it is. Your boy R with the raw hairstyle, full throttle. Do me a favor, folks. Leave a like and please comment. All right. Now we're gonna get right into it on how I personally made 17,000 on UPS. So I got my real account right here. All right. You see I'm moving it. Let me show you guys proof, because we always got to start with the proof. All right. Always, as usual, proof. 20,000 made. All right, so we on IG Live, we on all this. That's 20,000 made, right? Everybody see that? That is a live account. And we can move the account. This ain't a screenshot. This ain't none of that. All right. So let's get into how I personally made 17K. All right. Now, first of all, the reason why I got in this trade, of course, if you was watching Stock Sundays, I even called this on Stock Sundays, FedEx and UPS. All right, FedEx and UPS, I called this on Stock Sundays. All right, now where did I call it? I called it here in the small account challenge. All right, and I even gave them rationale, so we can read my rationales. You can see in the small account challenge, I tell you the number of contracts to buy. So yes, I literally trade for you. For all the people like, hey, can you take my money and trade for me? That's exactly what I'm doing in the small account challenge. You just have to follow it, all right? So I let you know the number of contracts I'm in and the average and why I got in. Why? Because I like people to learn. I don't really care if people learn, all right? Now, we can go in and look at the chart. This is, now we entered UPS a long time ago here. And then we entered again here because I drew the Fibonacci. We had a pullback here to the 78.6 fib level. So all you got to do is move the decimal point 2 spaces over. All right. So 1, 2, and then that's 78. So that's the 50% fib, 61.8% fib, 38.2, 23.6, etc. Right. So this thing pulled back to its last fib. So that was another reason I liked it here. And then oversold on the RSI. So, you know, we just taking chances here. It was oversold here, UPS, and then we banked 100% last time. We caught this bottom last time in Honey Drip. So it's only a coincidence that we catch it again on the pullback. So it's always beautiful to catch profitable companies on a pullback, all right? So that's why I got in. And once again, I even signaled it right here. I told them the exact rationale. I said oversold while we're tracing back to the 71.8 fib with a pin bar, all right? So you see that? I'm letting them know. This is why we in. And we got in February 1st, all right? So that is why I got in. And then I even called it on Stock Sundays right here. I called FedEx and UPS. So if you want to see once again, as you can see, I hit 20K on FedEx and UPS, 17K on UPS, 2,400 on FedEx. All right, so it literally, the stars aligned to give me 20 grand. All right, I don't know what 20 grand is to you. Now, let me tell you how much I played. I played about 100 contracts. So if you want to know how much I threw in about, I'm going to say maybe 30 racks. So not 30, like 25 racks. Yep, 25 racks. So I threw in 25 racks to make 17.5. And then Apple, I got in that trade by mistake. I don't even know how I got into that. I had to quickly exit that. I think I was so excited, thumb tapping stuff. Not sure, but I lost $13. All right. So what can I buy with $13? I'm so rich I wouldn't even know. Let me think. Like a pair of socks? I'm not sure. Inflation is high. So anyway, let's go to Yahoo Finance real quick. All right. Let's go to Yahoo Finance. Let's go look up UPS financials. So I talked about this on Stock Sundays. Before we look up this, I want to show you guys. We're going to go to financials here. And then we're going to look at their financials. But then before we do that, let me show you proof that I called this on Stock Sundays. So make sure y'all tap in at 8 p.m. Eastern time every Sunday, because you don't want to miss me giving free plays, and I do it live, folks. So you get them first. All right, so I did this live, folks. This ain't no joke like that. So yes, that's why I like FedEx, because it's the same setup we just played. We just played this setup. So why would I not take this same setup again and I just made 180% on it, okay? And yes, we are on the TradingView app. We are on the daily chart. So if you guys want to know what time frame I'm on the daily chart, okay? All right, so that's setup number one. Setup number two, we got UPS. UPS, okay? So we getting packs in. We getting packs in, folks. We got a shipment coming. We got the RSI in this green area right here, all right? With some pin bars. All right, so y'all see that. Some good daily pin bars, dang near a tweezer bottom. All right. So y'all see that. I called it on Stock Sundays for free. So listen, Stock Sundays, what Sunday was, baby? That was the 4th? Yep. So that was the 4th. Remember, folks, I called this in my chat on the 1st. So I decided to give you guys a free play on Stock Sunday just to show y'all how credible I am. All right. All right. I decided to give you guys, and that play went 100%, by the way. Now let's go look at some games, folks. So for everybody, make sure, all right, so for $5 a day, folks, $5 a day, you get to join the chat and you get to bank with us. All right. You're going to see how many people made money off UPS. You're going to see me tag. Look, caught some UPS, this person. So remember, you're in my chat free. Why? Because you'll make your return on investment. So everybody is in technically free. All these people paid $35 and look what they made. All right. $325. All right. Now, the sooner you start, so when you first come in my chat, let's see some more UPS games before we continue on. Let's see. UPS again. UPS. All right. If you're on IG Live, comment trial. And if you're on YouTube Live, the comment is pinned, right, baby? All right. Click the link. And only for $5 a day, you're in free. You're just paying for our time. This person, first $1,000 day trading UPS. All right, that was the signal we called. Look at all these people talking about UPS, folks. This is in the chat. This person made $1,000 off UPS. All right, so you're basically in my chat free. So you're actually getting over on me. This person paid $35 to come in and then change to $125, but he's hitting me over the head. How am I beating you and you're beating me? All right, is somebody explain to me who's losing here? It's actually me. All right. Because I'm only charging a small fee, and look what this person made in the past month. This is all in Honey Drip. That is my logo, buy low, sell high. All right? So who's getting over on who? When you're the one paying me $35 and then $100, and then you end up winning more than I do. A small fee. So you're going to make your return on investment. It's a no-brainer. $455 on UPS. All right? This person didn't get in UPS. Let me see. Another one. $759. All right. And this is in February. The month just started. This is the 6th. UPS again. All these people making money off UPS. Look at this. 500. No, what is that? 224. Let's see some more. All right. 350. Again, 100%. All of that, right? So if you comment trial when you first come in my chat, if you know nothing about the stock market, come here to read first. So if everybody who comes in my Discord, if you know nothing about the stock market and want to learn fast, you could come to the free courses right here. Come to the free courses, and we got free courses. You could start there, but I recommend starting here first. All right, come to the read first, follow the 6 steps. All right, I gotta actually add free courses right here. Because really, you do these 4, you good. You know what I'm saying? You do these 4 with 3 steps, you good. So either or, read first, and then the free courses right here, and you're good, and you're ready to learn how to trade. Like ready. When I say ready, I mean ready. All right, folks? And that's how you learn. So if everybody like, where do I start? I know nothing about the stock market. Come into my chat one more time, read first, and come follow the 6 steps, and then come to free courses. Take all 3 and you good. You'll be ready to learn how to trade, like literally. And even in this one is a very good one too. All of them are good. This is a private one for Discord. But yes, it's only $5 a day, folks. $35. So you're going to spend your $5 a day on BS anyways. And like I said, I called UPS here February 1st. All right, so let's go look at the financials. Let's get back into some education. All right. comment the word trial and I'll DM you the link. And if you're on YouTube live, click the link in the description and I'll even pin it in the comments. All right, so let's look at UPS financials real quick. So I was talking to y'all about this on Stock Sundays. So let's go to the net income real quick. All right, so 1.3. So these all numbers are in thousands. So you got to add 3 zeros after every number you see on the balance sheet. So not only do I look at the technicals, folks, but I also go and look at the balance sheet to see the reason. And I'm gonna tell y'all why. All right, now I usually give this info up in the mentorship, but the reason why I check the balance sheet for every stock that I trade is because I want to make sure this dip won't keep dipping. You get what I'm saying? So if I was to not look at UPS balance sheet, I need to understand if they have strong financials enough to recover. You get what I'm saying? So I go and I look at their balance sheet to see, are you still profitable year over year? So year over year, this is annual, 1.3 billion, 12.8 billion, 11.5 billion, and then TTM equals trailing 12 months, 8.5 billion, right? So I'm like, okay, you're still profitable, and could you come back from this 8.5 billion? You average 12 billion 2 years in a row. Could I trust you to come back and get you, make a comeback from even 8? But that's still not enough for me to say, let this company go down. It's a very profitable company. That's 8.5 billion. Let's look at quarterly. And then quarterly, we go look and we see, okay, 3.4 billion, 1.8 billion, 2 point. So it's been going down and down quarterly a little bit. Like, that's not the greatest sign, but at the same time, what comes down must go up, right? The stock market is different. The stock market gravity is a little bit different, folks. Well, it's the same. What goes up must come down one day, and what goes down must come up one day. All right, so this is the lowest they've been as a profitable company quarterly. So I'm like, okay, I can trust them to make a comeback even from here. So listen, it's all technique, folks. All right, put a yes if you're learning a lot. All right, so if you just learned something, put a yes. All right, put a yes. Now this is UPS we're talking about. I think all of us have used UPS before in our lifetime. All right. I know they have competition, FedEx and Amazon, but in FedEx, the same reason we got in FedEx. I forgot to talk about that 2,500 we made on FedEx. How many people we got on YouTube live? 345. Let's get it. FedEx. Oh yeah, let me type that again. FedEx. Oops, fat fingering. All right, there we go. FedEx. Let's see if this thing isn't. Hold up. Well, it's like right there. So it's like right there. The RSI. I want to zoom in a little bit more to see. It's like it's slightly down. It's slightly down. That's cool, but the MACD is still having divergence. The MACD is still having divergence. The RSI kind of failed the divergence when it moved down a little bit, but it's FedEx. Let's go look at their income statements. So we end up making 30% on FedEx. Let me go look. And I even talk about this in the swing trades. See that, folks? I let them know, hey, we're up. Well, we were up 30%. Oh, there it go. So I got them in these contracts. All right, I got them in these contracts, and we were up 30%. And I called FedEx like a minute ago. Not a minute ago, like pretty soon. When did I call this thing? I usually get a rationale. Did I miss it? I think I did. I think, okay. Here we go, FedEx, all right? I called it right here. FedEx right here on the 2nd of February. So I called UPS on the 1st, FedEx on the 2nd, and it is now the 6th, I believe, right? So it's the 6th. So I called these, and that's the reason I got it. And we even banked on Walmart, which I called on Stock Sundays and told you guys this thing was going to explode. And I even told, look, let me tell you where I got in Walmart from, by the way. Walmart was so nasty. I got in here at this arrow. I got in here and got out here at the fucking top. Stop playing with me. I'm a real one. I rode that shit all the way down. Like, that's a long time to hold it. So let's look how many days I had to hold this bad boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That ain't bad. You guys can't wait 16 days for some money? So y'all, some of y'all impatient, but I'll teach you how to be patient. Comment trial if you're in the YouTube, Instagram live, and then yeah, click the link in the description. All right, look, for all of you, like, okay. Oh, I also show you behind the scenes, like this thumbnail was made by my thumbnail maker. We make nice jokes and stuff, so we laugh a lot. I be showing them behind the scenes of my life, and we just be laughing, and I even be making stuff like this for all the people who wanted me to lose my first swing and laughed at me yesterday. That's how much I don't even be losing. Like, folks go to hate and they want me to fail so bad, right? So, boom, let me show you something. We were down 51% on UPS at first, and I let them know UPS down 50%. Tomorrow will determine if we exit the position. So this was yesterday. So that's the thing. I'm teaching them risk management and holding. I'm like, look, I'm down with y'all. But look, first L in a minute. After a very successful journey. Remember, folks, losses are a part of the game, extremely important. But I said, but it's not a loss until we sell. I let them know that. All right, let's give it a few more days. Still oversold on the RSI. So maybe tomorrow could be a recovery. We shall see. So that was yesterday. And then today, we go off for 100%. And I'm literally showing them my money. See what I'm saying? The same money I showed y'all. All right. And then I let them know, look, Disney is up. So we held Disney. Where's the 100%? Oh, yeah, right here. Then we hit 100% on UPS. All right. So we don't play no games. Make sure you comment the word trial if you want to get in my chat. Look at the testimonials, man. We ain't playing. Look at this person. They like, look, Aristotle, I'm up 100% on my account. Look at this person. They like, look, King BR, paid for the Discord 3 times. What they talking about? F them. Look at them. 386. Look, a person said, look, my first 100% trade ever. Thank you. Ain't nothing like hitting your first 100%. You get what I'm saying, folks? Ain't nothing like it. Ain't nothing like it, folks. Now, remember, when you come in, first come learn. Spend like a day or two of learning. All right? And then, after that, come take you can use a paper trading account with some fake money. Come see how we signal first. Come see if you like it. It's only $35, $5 a day, folks. All right? So what do you spend $5 a day on? A nickel bag of weed? A pack of cigarettes? This is cheaper than anything that you could think of. This is actually cheaper than your food. I don't even know a meal that costs $5 today. You know one, baby? A complete meal. Well, I'm talking about a burger, fry, and a drink. They don't even cost $5 no more, do it? I don't even know what costs $5 a day. So if you saying you don't got no money to come learn, this is generational wealth, folks. Generational wealth. So even if you don't take one signal, at least come get the knowledge. Come to the read first. All right? Come to the read first. Come get the knowledge. So you could teach it to your children or something. Or you can have this on your back burner. What if your job fires you? All right? What if your job fires you and you need to go make $200 a day? Because think about it. Most people, the average income is $20 a day, right? So let's just say, and let me go and get on my soapbox real quick, and then I'll get off live because I got to go pack. But yeah, let's just say your job fires you, right? And you need to figure out how in the world are you going to make $200 a day. So if the average pay is $20 a day, let's just say the median pay is $20 a day. After 8 hours, that is $160, and you might not even get that net because they got to take your insurance out. They got to get you all of that. So how are you going to quickly, and then you all depressed, you done lost your job, so you done lost motivation to go job hunting. You barely want to move out your bed. You don't want to go nowhere. So how are you going to make $160 tomorrow? And you don't have to leave home. I'm telling you this is how you're going to do that. So even if, at least come learn that information for a rainy day. All right. At least come learn the information for a rainy day, because you might need it one day. Now, granted, I made $20,000 today. So me teaching you how to make a $400 or a $100 is easy to me personally. But you know what it is? You're not going to want $200 a day or even 400. You're going to want $1,000 a day because you feel like you're good enough to, and that's where people go wrong. I recommend you guys start small and then work your way up to $1,000 a day. Don't just come in here thinking you're entitled to that. Start with trying to make 200, no more than 400. Trust me. Do not try it. All right. For all of you, like, well, is that possible? Do people make that in your chat today? Yes, they do. Let's go look. All right. Like I just said, it's some real shit. So like, yes, people make that. Look, that's 3,000. What is that? No, that's 2,300. All right. So everybody laughing, but it's the truth. This is 540. So this person could quit their job today if they wanted to. All right. If they could average that. This person, 3,200. This is in our chat. This is in the games. So these are the people who are making this type of money, and I'm pretty sure all of these people have some type of job. 1,000. I'm pretty sure they didn't make 1,000 today from their job. I'm pretty sure this person didn't make this from their job. All right. I'm pretty sure this person, maybe he did. What is this? 348. Okay, 348. So what I'm telling you is, look, this person, they had $800 put up, 325. Is this my cameraman? No, it's not him. This a woman. Look, this a lady. This a young lady. All right, listen and check that out. We got, and look, this person, 66K off PLTR. I know him. I actually flew him out to Atlanta. All right, this person. So we don't play no games. Look, you see people saying it in the comments. They're like, I made such and such. I wonder why screenshot don't work. Oh, there it go. But yeah, we got a bunch of people making money. This person, I know him. He's a gym teacher. He's a white guy. He works at a high school, and he's a gym teacher. And look how long he been in Honey Drip. He been in since 2019. All right, he been in since 2019. I remember when he came in too. This guy been in the chat for 3 years, and he comfortable making his $400 a day. He ain't tripping. All right. So how are you going to replace your income if your job fires you? What if you just don't want to work no more? All right. So that's why I personally teach people option trading. I'm trying to provide freedom in the best way I know how. All right. Make sure y'all tap in, comment trial if you're trying to get in, and then if you're on YouTube, make sure you click the link in the description. And we good, folks. I'm about to pack up. I'm about to head to Tampa. It's about to be lit. God bless y'all.